Hi, I'm Kari, and welcome to Cheap Horsepower. I'm about to unveil a very, very nice seat! I am going to be cutting this beautiful seat. I already have my glasses and my ear protection on because I'm going to be using an angle grinder to zip a nice little pocket in each side of this seat. Good reason for that. It needs to fit into the go-kart I'm going to put it in. But it's a really nice, comfortable seat. It's going to look really good. It's going to feel really good. But that's what it requires. So I'm going to go ahead and start doing that now. And I'll show you guys what it looks like when I get it all fitted and adjusted. Alright, boring stuff aside. This is how I got these measurements. I went to the bottom and I made sure I made my marks as far as I want to go. I can make the adjustments with the angle grinder as I'm going, so I'll get it to fit just right. But when I come up here, I know it's about that far in. You see where this piece is here? I just kind of work my finger up and then work back a little bit. I'm going to try and make it equal with this, that line right there. It'll make it look nice, and then again I'll just take that white off once I'm finished with everything. But it's gonna look really good. It's gonna fit really good. I know it. So I'll go ahead and finish doing some angle grinding now, and I'll be back with you guys here in a little bit. And as Jim Carrey would say, like a glove. Fits nice. Sorry about the crotch shot, but fits the way I wanted it to. Let me get up so you can get a better view of it. Look at that. Now it's got a beautiful seat, and that's the first time I filmed this go-kart. So you're going to see a much better view here in the next couple episodes. But I have the motor covered right now because it's been raining. But there we go. Got a nice little kart there. I should do it like this. You guys probably got a nice sideways shot, but whatever. You get the point. Check it out. Looks good. It's going to fit really good. I might trim a little bit of this just to make it a little bit tighter, but I mean, the seat's not moving. And that's the best part. I mean, it literally just fit right in there like a glove. So very, very happy with the result. Can't wait for the motor to be running and everything. This is a Baja Manco go-kart, but check this out. It's a Baja 200, but it's not for the go-kart. It was off a mini bike. It's the same type of engine, the exact same style engine. So it'll work really good. And, I'll get this thing running here in the next day or two, so look out for more videos.